Hi, my name is Jay Lutzky. I'm an attorney, and people ask me a question. Will a bankruptcy stop my creditors from coming after me and the IRS from coming after me? What we need to do is first look at what type of creditors you have. If you file a bankruptcy, there's an automatic stay or stoppage of all collection matters against you, all phone calls, all emails, all lawsuits, any garnishments where they take money out of your paycheck, any income executions where they take money out of your paycheck or they can take money out of your bank account. Those stop automatically when a bankruptcy is first filed. All your creditors are listed in the bankruptcy, and they receive a notice from the bankruptcy court, which is a federal court, telling them to stop. Do not call, do not write, stop any and all actions till after the bankruptcy is done. So those actions will stop immediately. When the bankruptcy is done, if the debt is discharged or wiped out, the creditors will receive a notice from the bankruptcy court to advise them that that bill has been discharged or eliminated. They never ever can call you, write to you, sue you, take money from your bank account or any of your income. That debt is wiped out forever, and in fact, they have to go back in to your credit report after a bankruptcy and list the debt amount as zero. All those debts will read zero balance after the bankruptcy has been completed. Now, the IRS is a different situation. They will stop initially when they get the notice from the court that you filed a bankruptcy. However, under Chapter 7, where they eliminate most debts, the IRS will not be eliminated. They will be allowed to continue to collect the money from you when the proceeding is done. However, an option is to work out a Chapter 13 or repayment plan, and that way you could pay back the IRS over up to a 5-year payment period. The IRS and government obligations get paid before regular creditors, and the regular creditors are normally what's called either secured, where they hold collateral, like a house or a car loan, or unsecured, which are most credit cards and most personal debts. So you may be able to do a Chapter 7 to get rid of many debts. A Chapter 13 may be an option with the IRS, and the best thing to do is make a list of your bills, how much each one is, and what category it is, and come in and let's see what we can do for you to analyze what's your best option. But the annoying phone calls will stop when we file, the annoying letters, the debt collectors will not write to you anymore. They're not allowed to. If they're suing you, they have to stop the action. And when the case is over, if they did start a lawsuit, they're going to have to, at the end of the bankruptcy, advise the court that that lawsuit has been discontinued and or dismissed, because they're not allowed to continue to bother, harass, annoy you after a bankruptcy is completed. There are two major federal laws that affect creditors. One is the FCRA, Fair Credit Reporting Act, and also FDCPA, Fair Debt Collection Practice Acts, and that governs how the collection firms and debt collectors, what their conduct is, what they're allowed to do, what they're not allowed to do, and how you are protected under federal law for those things. And if they violate those, you can see a lawyer and see what you can do to sue the debt collectors from harassing or bothering you. Thank you very much. Look forward to talking to you in the near future, analyzing your situation, and figuring out what's best for you in this difficult time. Thanks.